we saw on the table. We were confused why it was lost a few minutes after we saw your cell phone on the table. And then we asked ourselves, who got the cell phone? Who is the thief? Who is the culprit? Is it letter A?
You.
Joshua Tan? Joshua Tan? Letter B. Ruby Jean. Or is it letter C? Valerie Gigan.
Or is it D? Byron.
Or is it letter E?
Patrick!
Right ito siya. Just type the letter of your answer and send it to 2366666.
Uy, basin ako magwala ako pero mong kuha mong.
Kaya Louie, we wash our hands because we really don't know what happened. Pero I asked you this question. Who told you to go outside? And when you went back, your cell phone was already on the pouch.
And who told you to search your cell phone?
Oh my God!
Search your bag.
Now, the suspect
The primary suspect
is so narrow that we already know the letter of the choice.
Hoy, no, hoy, grabe ako.
Oh my God! Somebody is defensive.
No! I said, oh no!
Oh my God! So Louie,
There's a rat.
there's a
There's a rat.
where?
There.
Where? So the question now is, we would ask
I know.
the very reliable person in the person of Jade Dimagiba Saniko, and she wishes that in the future her family name would be Gatillo. And your textmate before your cell phone was lost. Jade, sabihin mo na. Come here. Sabihin mo sino.
Sabihin mo, Jade. Sabihin mo, Jade.
Pag-doon para makita ka.
Jade, di ka makita, Jade. Kapwede ka, Jade.
Ikaw ang may dili.
Down. Who is the thief? Jade, wala ka naman yan.
Byron.
Not me. That's true.
That's true. Diba, Val?
I am not the thief. Patrick, tell us who's the thief. I was just the person who placed back your cell phone on your back, on your case.
Wait, are you really
It's because
going?
Ruby told me that I should put it back. Oh, Ruby.
Because you're very angry now. Pero, promise, it's not me. I'm not the mastermind of it.
But anyways, time is already running and it's almost up. So come here, compress the fork.
Di ka maigo ba ito?
In behalf of the four of us, and if it would be half, it would be the two of us, and when you have the two, it would end up with one. Ruby, you say your speech na.
Hoy, ano nga naabos ako?
Sige na, you say your speech.
Louie, Uncle, I love you, promise. The mastermind. Can I investigate pa?
Investigate ni Lucris Aitan Jr.
Yeah, pero
Ay, nakalimot namin sa SBO nga fan page. Okay, so in behalf of the four of us, and in behalf of the two, and it ends up with one, Ruby. Ruby, the main culprit, we bid you goodbye and have a nice day. Bye-bye!
Sorry daw.
Sorry daw, Ruby.
Sorry,
Ruby.
di mo lagi ako.
Sorry.
Sorry, in behalf of Byron here.
Oy!